Hey folks, we are going to try out one of these MREs given out by FEMA. As I'm sure you probably know, Tampa had two historic hurricanes, and this is what FEMA was given out. So this is a military MRE. It literally says Warfighter recommended, Warfighter tested, Warfighter approved. So these guys had just truckloads of these things and multiple distribution points around the city for FEMA to distribute these. Truckloads of water, cleaning supplies, and this is the monster. All right, he's going to try them with me.
So, folks, watch what I can do with a water bottle.
No.
It's like a volcano with like squishes. It's like so funny.
Yeah, don't do that. All right, so let's open this up. Too funny. All right, let's see what we got in here. All right, that is some very thick plastic. I mean, that is some very, very thick wrapping. So here's what it looks like. This is my very professional host here. So everything else is in this other plastic. Open this up. If you have any 4-year-olds, you'll understand. All right, so what do we got here?
I was just pausing the video for the kids won't see that.
Okay, good. All right, so everything came in a separate little wrapper there. So let's go through what we've got here. Looks like we've got a heating bag. Yep, that's what you heat them up in. Here we have our beef strips in savory tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce? What in the world? Right. I love tomato sauce.
Here's a little container. This is what we're going to set to heat it up. And I've done one of these before. This is chocolate pudding with protein.
Chocolate pudding with protein?
Let's just open this up and give it a little taste test here.
No.
It's chocolate pudding.
What does it taste like?
Oh, that's actually pretty good.
Can I try?
Oh, now you want it.
Are you going to drink it all?
That's actually good. Okay, we have peppermint candy rings.
That was so good. Peppermint candy rings.
We have some peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
A white wheat snack bread blend juice smoothie.
I can unpause the video.
Okay, here we go. All right, Jackson did not like the pudding. Here we've got some tropical blend, fruit vegetable blend, juice smoothie powder. That just sounds
folks,
awful.
I just paused the video and I was going, and the pudding tastes bad.
You didn't like the pudding.
Yeah.
Here we also have some blackberry jam, a spoon.
A spoon?
And
what in the world?
Here we have got some salt.
What?
A moist towelette.
What?
And it looks like just a towel with a paper clip.
What?
Why do we have matches? We have matches for some reason.
What?
And that looks like some chiclet gum. We'll set that aside. All right. Tropical blend fruit. Now, let's go ahead and get our entree going first because that takes a while. All right. Where'd it go? Here it is. Okay. We're going to tear this off. And it's got a little heating element thingy in there.
Stop. I got to pause the video because of something. I'm putting dust water.
All right, here we go. We're going to take this pouch. This is our beef strips in savory tomato sauce. Slide it down in here, and just do not overfill. So I think we just fill it to that line right there.
Dad, I just took out the towel.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, just don't overfill. So maybe we did a little bit. And I believe you just roll this up and then stick it in this container. Maybe we should roll this other way.
Hey folks, our house number is 4723.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut that out. Oh, it's growing, people! It's growing! Whoa, 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 whoa!
Whoa.
Oh, it's all. All right, let's put this in here.
That is crazy. That is crazy.
All right. Oh, that's all puffed up.
Folks, that is crazy.
Okay, that is definitely getting warm. So I'm gonna shake it. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I'm just gonna shake it.
Shake it.
I'm gonna shake it a little bit.
Shake it.
Make sure all those little elements get some water on it. All right, let's set this down to the side.
It's
right.
getting hot.
This thing, it's
Burn me.
definitely getting warm. We'll fold that in. Make sure.
What are we gonna do with these things, Dad?
That is gum. We're not gonna eat that just yet. Let's see here.
Gum.
White wheat snack bread. All right, we're gonna open this guy up. Okay, this is interesting. All right, this is do not eat, so, you know, don't eat that. And I guess this is for our blackberry jam and jelly. Or blackberry jam and peanut butter. Did we get peanut butter? Yeah, we got peanut butter in this one.
Let's put it on both of ours.
So...
Hey, Daddy, how about us get jam and the other one get peanut butter? Daddy, I mostly like peanut butter, so can I have the peanut butter
We're going to do some jam, blackberry jam, and peanut butter on each one.
What in the world?
All right, there's our... Let's see, make sure people can see this. This is just some blackberry jam.
Mm-hmm. Now for some peanut butter, folks.
You know,
Dummy.
just some peanut butter here in this one. We're gonna...
Folks, look at the gum.
All right, try that. See how you like it.
Okay, folks. Good.
Hear that, people? It is 4-year-old approved. Oh, and our bag is smoking. That is steam coming out. All right, I'm not getting all the peanut butter out here, but that's enough to taste it. So here we go.
Is it good, Dad?
Yeah.
That made that pudding go away, Dad.
That's actually pretty good.
I told you it's good. What about this gummy gum? Are we gonna do it last?
Yeah, we'll do that last.
Oh, come on.
All right, here we go. This tropical blend, fruit and vegetable blend juice powder smoothie. I've got some concerns about this, but man, look at this thing just cooking. I mean, that is just
smoking.
Yeah, that is just a lot of steam coming out. Okay, how do we do this?
It's like smoking. It's smoking our backyard.
Provides 2 servings of fruits and vegetables. Directions. Use. Allow water just chemically purified to stand 30 minutes. Okay, we are not using chemically purified water. We're using bottled water. Open up powder, tear pouch, blah, blah.
Blah.
About 1/3 of a canteen. I don't have a canteen. So we're just going to pour in some water.
Why
what that
did you
does.
say blah 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 the blah?
Instead of reading every single
Don't use
word.
mine.
All right, we're not going to use his water.
I want to drink my water, not put it in a bag this time.
All right, it's up to about right there. So,
Shoot bug, get away! I bet the bug wants to join.
probably.
Yes.
And then we're just going to shake this.
I see a white bird. Kids, I see a white bird. Folks, I see a white bird. Hey, Daddy,
Hey.
I see a white bird.
Yep. All right.
I think he likes our house.
Let's try this tropical blend smoothie. And I gotta tell you, I don't have a lot of high hopes for this thing, but here we go.
Not for me.
Yep, that is about as awful as you would think it is. No, would not recommend this one. Towelette. What are you doing?
I like peanut butter and jelly.
All right.
I was letting those plants grow.
That is like seriously hot, folks. That is way hotter than I ever would have thought.
Hey, Daddy. I let our two plants grow with some water.
Cool. Okay.
What?
Well, we let that continue to heat up. We're gonna go ahead and open up our peppermint candy rings.
Ooh, peppermint candy.
Oh, cool! Those little lifesavers.
They're like little lifesavers.
That's cool.
I'm saving you peanut butter.
All right. Yeah. Actually, yeah, they're not like lifesavers. Those are lifesavers. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. So that's kind of cool.
9 lifesaver. We can eat these stuff last, right?
Yep, we can eat that stuff last. All right, let's see. This has probably got hot enough.
Daddy, I'm gonna gather all the last stuff.
Actually, we are going to let that heat up for another 5 minutes and then continue.
Daddy, I shared my water with the plant.
Are we rolling? We are. Okay, cool.
When I go away, say I'm missing something that starts with a J.
Okay. All right. This is heated up long enough. I think we're going to go ahead and take it out. And this is really hot. That will burn you.
I'm burning with that thing.
So,
Peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Jackson approves the peanut butter jelly sandwich. All right, so
That's what I like, kids.
that's
Peanut
still got
butter
some
jelly sandwiches.
still got some water, and that is just hot. That is like really hot. So, yeah, that's heated up pretty well. So I'm just going to give this.
It burned me, Dad.
Yeah, you're all right.
I'm fine.
Okay, if you can see what that looks like. That is steam coming out of it, so that's a good sign.
What is that?
I don't know. We're supposed to use this maybe as...
I want to see it.
Yeah, here you go.
What in the world is that?
This is beef strips in a savory tomato sauce.
I don't want to try it.
All right. Here's what it looks like, folks.
Does it look cool, folks?
I mean, let's see. It smells good.
Does it taste good?
Yeah, that actually tastes really good. Oh, yeah. That does not taste like processed food. That tastes really good. Mm-hmm.
Daddy.
What?
Remember when they
You
said,
try it?
Daddy, when they said, when it go away,
Mm-hmm.
you guys say, I'm missing something when I,
Okay, we've ate most of this. Here's the summary. The main course is actually pretty good. I mean, no real complaints about that. I liked the chocolate pudding. Apparently, the chocolate pudding with protein. That chocolate pudding actually has 14 grams of protein in it, so that's a little odd. It wasn't the best chocolate pudding, but it was good. The
someone just yelled, maybe it's my new girlfriend.
maybe peanut butter and jelly. Jackson approved. He liked that quite a bit. The fruit drink, vegetable drink, yeah, it was drinkable. It wasn't best. Then we got some lifesavers and some chiclet type gum. So yeah, I could eat this. Fortunately, we don't have to eat this every day, but in a bind, I could absolutely live off of this. So yeah, good stuff.